Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset HUAWEI Mate Xs 2. Alright, so we have 2 methods how we can reset this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method is a reset through the settings. This method is of course recommended when we have access to the phone and when the phone works normally. I mean when it's responsive and when it's not lagged, for example. So to do it we need to open up the settings. Now let's scroll down, click on System and Updates, and click on the Reset. Of course, we are interested in the last option, Reset Phone, but in here we can also reset all settings or reset the network settings. Right in here. If you want, you can also do it. Simply click on this button below. Now let's click on Reset Phone. Let's scroll down. In here you can read what things will be deleted from your device. And now all we need to do is to simply click on Reset Phone, then follow the instruction on the screen, and if you do everything properly, your device will be turned off, then it will be turned on again, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. Alright, that's the first method, and now let's go straight with the second one, which is by using the recovery mode. To do it, we need to power off our device first. Let's hold the power button to launch the power menu, and let's click on power off. Let's stop again. Now let's wait a few seconds. And now we need to use the 2-button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time until we get into the recovery mode. So let me do it. Keep holding both of the buttons. Keep holding even when the HUAWEI logo appeared. Okay, and when the recovery mode appears, we can release our fingers. Now, to move around this menu, we use the volume keys, and if you want to confirm the selected option, simply click the power button. But as you can see, it also works using our fingers. So select clear data right in here. Now select factory reset. Now we need to type the word yes using your keyboard, and now click on factory reset. Now the process will start, so we need to wait a few seconds until it's finished. Alright, that's all. Click on back. Now click on restart. And now within a second our device will be automatically turned on again. And the next thing we need to do is to simply set up our device. Alright, that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.